Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you plastic water crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, why do we use plastic water? Every year, millions of plastic bottles are thrown away. Many of them end up in landfills or rivers and oceans. By recycling plastic water, we can reduce waste, save money, protect the environment, create a beautiful handmade item, enjoy fun family create activities. A simple bottle can have a second life instead of becoming trash. Cute flower pot. One of the easy tricks is turning a plastic bottle into a flower pot. Cut the bottle in half. Use the bottom part as the planter. Paint it with bright color or cute animal face like cat, rabbit, or panda. Fill it with soil and plant flower and however place it on your window, balcony or garden. It is simple, colorful and usable. And next idea is weavers. Friends, pencil holder. Friends, do not buy expensive desk organizer. Cut a border to the desired height. Decorate with paint, paper, ribbon, or stickers. Now fill it with pen, pencil, marker, scissor, ruler. Your study table will look neat and creative. Bird feeder nature lover will enjoy this project. Cut two small opening on opposite side. Insert wooden spoon or sticks. Fill the water with the bird seeds. Hang it from a tree. Soon little birds may come to visit your garden. Watching them can become part of your daily routine. And friends, my next idea is weavers. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell